Hi, my name is Ken Ziem and I am a senior developer at Zoomasys. Let's continue where we left off. We need a startup JAgent in the background and verify it's running. You may have to hit carriage return a time to get the command prompt to come back. Launch your favorite browser and browse to http://localhost:2002/API/wrest-test. If you receive a page full of JSON, JAgent is up and running. It will also set up the WDB Resource File when it's accessed for the first time. The next step is to write a program that outputs JSON for the web. I have a minimal program already prepared. It is available at github.com/pick-multivalue/full-stack-with-pick-tutorial. Next, we need to wire up JAgent to our new program. We do that by adding a record to wdb.resource called API*demo. Demo is the name of the endpoint we will be hitting. The first attribute is a P. The second attribute is a description. The third attribute is the name of the program. The fourth attribute is blank. The fifth attribute is a 1, and the sixth attribute is a 1. To verify it's working, we need to browse to the endpoint. It's the same address as before, except demo, and then any key into the file. I'm just using 001, and if you see a page full of JSON, and that matches the data that is in demo.file. I like to use a product called Postman. You can download it for free at postman.com. Click on New, Request, Get Demo. And then you put the same URL of http://localhost:2002/API/demo/001. Then click Send. You should see the same output you received using the browser. This proves it works and that this data is available to the UI layer to be built in our next video.